This is the practice test for ratios, proportions, and percents. We're looking at number 13. A legal firm offers some services pro bono, which means that they work for clients free of charge. The legal firm accepted 1% of its cases pro bono last year. What is the total number of cases they completed if they accepted 75 pro bono cases? So we are asked to find the total, and we can go to our percent sheet with the formulas, and we can use the formula for total, which is equal to the part divided by the percent. Now the 75 is the part of the number of cases that were pro bono, 75, and we're going to divide that by the 1%. You need to use your percent key on your calculator, and you would get 7,500 cases. So this is the total number of cases, and the answer makes sense in the problem.